to sustaining culture change over time.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, I want to talk about since March of last year with COVID, change and disruption has been constant. So I want to ask you to speak to the CEO. What advice do you have for communicating change, for employees, for the whole workforce during times of uncertainty?
Well, CEOs, unfortunately, over the past year have had several moments in time where they really should have been stepping up and addressing the workforce. Whether it was the George Floyd murder, whether it was related to the pandemic, or even the Capitol breach, the Capitol riots that we saw towards the end of Trump's reign here. All of those are times when leadership needs to speak up. And I told several companies right after the Capitol riots, you need to acknowledge that internally. Your workforce is going to reflect what you see out in America, a really divided, political environment, and a lot of emotions. And reinforce your purpose, reinforce your values, and reinforce the concept that it's okay to have different opinions as long as we treat each other with respect, and the notion that a team doesn't win if it's divided. A team wins when it's united.